Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of LinkedIn for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool which you need to know to dominate LinkedIn marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. LinkedIn Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is LinkedIn all about, what LinkedIn can do for your business, shocking LinkedIn marketing facts to consider, and LinkedIn walkthrough. Section 2. LinkedIn Business Solutions. In videos 5 through 8, we'll talk about talent solutions, market solutions, sales solutions, and learning solutions. Section 3. Marketing on LinkedIn, step by step. In videos 9 through 16, we'll talk about LinkedIn company pages, LinkedIn groups, advertise on LinkedIn, smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn, how to do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, using the LinkedIn feed for market research, small business resources to help you get more out of LinkedIn, and going premium with LinkedIn. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of LinkedIn marketing. I know you'll love this training.